Welcome back, guys. My name is Nishant Sharma. I'm the trainer for Microsoft Project Development. So let's start the topic with project development. Like we have a website with the name of website 9. Under that we have a module with the name of Gen, understand for general. And under that the general section we have a page with the name of registration. There we have two text boxes, the text box 1 and text box 2, first name and last name, and need to submit. If I enter the two fields data to the database, it means you are able to enter the number of fields of data to the database. So I just give an overview how to insert a data from front end to back end. For this, you need to click on submit and you need to add two namespaces. The first namespace is known as SQL data client, SQL using system.data.sql client, and the second one is data. These two namespaces are need to be used under the ASP.NET website under the code section, and then we need to write some code. Like the code is something, if you see carefully there, the code is something SQL connection class. SQL connection class is responsible for maintaining a connection between front end and back end. Data source is a server name with the dot. It is a universal identifier for the server. Initial catalog is equal to AIT. It means the database name AIT under the SQL server. And then integrated security equal to true. It means window authentication. There SQL data adapter is also there to just sending and retrieving the entire data. Insert command, like the insert command is a DA insert command is there where the DA dot insert command, DA is firing the insert command, is a new SQL command. Insert into contact is our table name. If you see the AIT, we have a table with the name of contact right there. Under the contact table, if you see the entire design of contact table, there we had two sections, the first name and last name section. So let's see where insert into contact values first name and last name. As you see, first name and last name is same as we have written over there, the first name and last name in caps, right? It's asking for the authentication. We pass CS because the entire connectivity string is stored in CS connection string, right? So now we are authenticated user. We need to pass a insert command, da.insert command.parameter.add into the first name and last name column, which is a varchar type, and value, and the textbox1.text and textbox2.text. If you want to understand, read it like that: text1 to text as a value added to SQL DB varchar type in a first name column added as a parameter by the data adapter as insert command. The same, repeating again, textbox2, whatever the data is textbox2, like add as a value, which is the SQL data type varchar. In the last name column, add as a parameter data adapter by using insert command. If it is all okay, then open the connection, cs.open, then da.insert command.execute non-query. So it executed perfectly because it's a DML, data manipulation language. The DML query. DML query, why? Because insertion make changes in database. That's why we use execute non-query. And then once it insert the data, then close it. cs.close connection.close. For writing the message on web page, we use response.write insert it. So this is all about. Let's run the project and see whether it's running or not. Let's check the session. There, the two forms are there. First, I enter G2 and second is Sing. Insert it. Let's check the database. There's the database. Contact, right click, select. G2 Sing is the new entry. Here you see that all things are working very fine and everything is working very fine. You can find the definition for SQL connection class over there, like what is SQL connection class, why we use the SQL connection class to maintaining the connection between the front end or back end. In the next section you will get the SQL data reader, data adapter. Like you see SQL data adapter, right now I'm using SQL data adapter. It's a set, like it's a parcel from front end to back end and back end to front end. It's just like a working connectivity adapter. So this is something known as SQL data adapter and SQL connection. Stay tuned for the videos. We'll upload new videos for the project session very soon. Bye bye.